Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject Basic Thermodynamics, SY BTech Mechanical, we are going to discuss the equation of state and universal gas constant. So, these two parameters we are going to discuss, these two parameters, universal gas constant and equation of state. So, equation of state in the last video we have gone through, but the actual derivation we are going to discuss. Now, to start with this video, let us focus on this diagram. So, in this diagram you can see formulation of equation of state for a perfect gas. For this, on y axis you have the pressure, on x axis you have the volume, you have two processes. The first process is 1 to 2 dash. Again I repeat, this is 2 dash. Okay, it is written 2, but this is 2 dash. Okay, process 1 to 2 dash, keeping the pressure constant, and the next process is 2 dash to 2, where temperature is constant. Right? These are the two processes as mentioned here. So, these two processes are mentioned here. Okay. Right. Now, for the process 1 2 dash, this process, that is the applying the Charles law. Now, we have to apply the Charles law. We can write, by applying the Charles law, we can write V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 dash upon T2 dash. Right. But here you can see at this point, this is 2 dash. Okay. So, T2 dash and T2 are same at this point, right. So, we can write the same equation can be written as this, that is V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 dash upon T2. So, here T2 dash is replaced with T2, and we can name this equation as equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now, consider this process 2 dash 2, applying the Boyle's law. Now, applying the Boyle's law, we can write P2 dash V2 dash is equal to P2 V2 at these 2 points. Okay. P2 dash V2 dash is equal to P2 V2. Okay. Now, from the above conditions, we can write the same statement can be written as V2 dash. So, V2 dash is equal to P2 upon P1 into V2. So, how we have written this V2? Because V2 dash and V2 dash are same. You can refer this this equation, right? This equation, you can refer this equation, and likewise we have written this parameter. So, that is what V2 dash is equal to P2 upon P1 into V2. So, we can name this equation as equation number 2. Now, substituting the value of V2 dash from equation 2 in equation 1, we get, substituting the value of V2 dash from equation 2 in equation 1, what we get here is this relation. Okay, we are just substituting the values, we get this relation, that is V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon P1 T2. Okay, likewise here what we have this here. Okay, now from that, now readjusting this term, you have to, what you have to do is this equation, just adjusting the terms, we get this. Okay, so multiply this P1 to this V1, we get P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So, with this we can say that at two states PV upon T is constant. So, pressure, volume, the product upon the temperature will remain a constant term. Okay. So, that constant term we name this as equation number 3. So, now the magnitude of this depends upon the particular gas and hence can be denoted by capital R, this constant quantity, where R is called as the specific gas constant, and for varying gas we can have various values of R. So, we can write PV upon T is equal to R for a specific gas. Now, the equation of state for a perfect gas thus can be given by this equation. So, what we are doing here, we are multiplying this T to this R. So, we can write PV is equal to RT. Okay. And for m kgs occupying volume V. So, this volume will have some mass, okay, that is m. So, we can write PV is equal to MRT. So, which is the equation of state. So, this diagram is the same, that is the two processes. Okay. So, this was the derivation for equation of state. Now, let us discuss the universal gas constant. Now, if the mass is chosen to be a numerical equal to a molecular weight of a gas. So, for example, 1 mole of the gas is to be considered, right. Okay. That 1 kg mole of oxygen, that is 32 kgs of oxygen, or 1 kg mole of hydrogen is 2 kgs of hydrogen. So, the equation can be written as on molar basis P V naught is equal to MRT. Now, here V naught is what? Molar volume, and here capital M is the molecular weight of the gas. So, Avogadro discovered this V naught is the same for all gases at the same pressure and temperature, and therefore, it may be seen that M into R is a constant parameter, that is A, what we denote, and R naught, that is R naught is for again the constant of that gas on molar basis. So, we can write P V naught is equal to R naught into T. So, this R naught value is called as the molar or universal gas constant, and its value is given by 8.3143 kilojoules per kg, or that is kilojoules per kg mole Kelvin. And if there are n moles present, then the ideal gas equation can be written as PV is equal to N R naught T, that now n value is the moles present, and where V is the volume occupied by n moles at pressure P and temperature T, right. So, these are the references. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.